Marvellous shadow. Los Angeles was almost the first place I'd ever drawn. There were no paintings of Los Angeles. People then didn't even know what it looked like.
David Hockney's The Splash is undoubtedly one of the most iconic images of the 20th century. He almost single-handedly defined an idea or an image of what California looks like to us today. David Hockney was born in Bradford in Yorkshire in 1937. He moved down to London at the end of the 1950s to study art at the Royal College. London was post-war era, dreary, and America was a promised land for him, especially Los Angeles.
When I went to Los Angeles, it was really 3 times better than I thought it would be.
LA really represented a place of greater freedom for David Hockney. He saw it as a bohemian land of liberalism, of freedom. As a gay man, he felt more comfortable there, and the lifestyle was almost a dream come true for him.
The moment I got here, within 1 week of coming here, I'd never driven before. I'd got a driving licence, bought a car, got a studio, got a living. I thought, this is the place. And I thought, it's so sexy, all these incredible boys. Everybody wore little white socks then. It's always sunny.
Hockney was really struck by the light, the colour, the sunny atmosphere of California.
In California, you see bright yellow and orange. I use bright yellow and orange. If you look through my paintings of the past, it's always blue or green. It drags you in, colour, suddenly discovering it, all its possibilities.
The paintings that Hockney made in 1966 are the works that really made his name as an artist. He took inspiration principally from a manual on how to maintain swimming pools, and it became the starting point for a series of 3 paintings that he would call The Little Splash, the second The Splash, and the third A Bigger Splash, which is in the collection of Tate Britain.
Painting of The Splash, for instance, somehow what I quite liked about doing it was the perversity of painting something that lasts for 1 second. But it took me 7 days' work to paint the splash itself. If you look carefully, it's painted in single lines with a small brush. I could make the water look very fluid and wet by putting paint on, acrylic paint that was very, very diluted, and you put a detergent in it, so when you paint on the canvas soaks it up like blotting paper.
It's the one painting that if you showed it to somebody, put it in front of them, they'd be, oh, that's David Hockney. That's how iconic it is. In the same way that Monet's Waterlilies, Van Gogh's Sunflowers, and Munch's series of Screams are so associated with those artists, Hockney's series of splashes are the celebrated images of his career.